Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to reset your Hisense TV remote controller or your remote control. So it's a very simple process. Now, first of all, obviously what you want to do is turn off your Hisense Roku TV, remove the batteries from your remote and switch your Hisense Roku TV again and insert batteries into the remote. Now, what you want to do is you want to try to control your Roku TV with your Roku Simple remote. After you do that, obviously, that's the first thing you can do. Second thing you can do is reset Roku voice remote. So remove the batteries from your Roku remote, replace them, plug out the power cable, and then wait for 3 to 5 minutes to power up your Hisense TV. Also, you can insert the batteries in your Roku remote and press and hold the pairing button on your remote as well. A green light will flash while you do so. So if you see it, release the pairing button and you can do that the same once again. Now a pairing remote prompt appears on your Hisense. A few seconds, just need to wait and reset the prompt will appear when your remote is paired successfully. You can also reset Hisense Fire TV remote. This is a Fire TV remote. Again, as you can see, this is what all the buttons you can click for this, and hold for at the same time for 12 seconds, and you will be able to reset it this way as well. You can also reset Fire TV Alexa voice remote. However, this is not a Hisense TV remote. So you can also reset Hisense Google TV remote. If you have a Google TV, you can long press home button on your remote, reinsert batteries into the remote while pressing the home button. Press and hold home button until the LED light glows up and becomes solid, and you can then release it, and now your remote is reset successfully. If you have a Hisense Android TV, it's pretty much the same but with different numbers. So reinsert the batteries and press the digits 2 and 8. So 2 and 8. And then what you want to do is you want to simultaneously do that for 6 seconds. Now the LED will blink twice. You can then enter the code 981 and the LED will blink 4 times. This implies that the remote is now reset to factory defaults. Now, obviously, if you have other Hisense, remotes, this is how it's going to look like. For example, with this remote, you just hold the last back right here and plus, and that will reset it for, again, 9 to 8 seconds. You will be able to do it. So that's pretty much how to reset Hisense TV remote controller and remote control. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.